me, tender baby. Baby, I believe in you and me. With me, a song I can write you a song in a couple of minutes, so I can make you a full track. But the thing is to make a song like this. I don't know how many times I rewrote this track. I rewrote it and I re-recorded it. I had maybe about 4 flows to do the song. And then I was like, nah, I'm not gonna use this one, I'm gonna use this one. I'm like, okay, I'm gonna use this one. Then it hits me, I have another flow. I even changed the words. So for me, if you come to me and say, let me write you a song, I'll write you a song and say, okay, if you're happy with it, then that's cool. With me, if I'm not happy with the material, I can rewrite it or redo it 20 times as long as I know that this is what I want. So with this one, like, yeah, I've done it a couple of times from scratch and then the beat, but this is what I'm satisfied with. So in writing a song, it's not a hassle for me. I've written a lot of tracks for other people and they know my writing skill. So on the side, I'm gifted on the pen. I'm gifted in many ways, man. Composing, playing and shit. So making a song for me is like, because I live and breathe this thing. When I wake up, man, I'll be singing in the shower, coming back singing, I'll be playing music all the time. My neighbors will be complaining because of the because of the loud music, but at the end of the day I'll pay them off and say, dude, this is what I've been doing these years. Yeah. When they complain like, yeah, shut it down because you're making a noise. But when I let them listen to the final product, they're like, okay, now we hear all this bang bang and this high hats like boom boom, all the repeating the same thing. But when it's finished, they appreciate it and they're like, okay, dude, but please bear in mind that you're living with people. But I make it work. But yeah. Lungisile Simo, that's me, man. I'm about to go to work now, early in the AM. It's 5 o'clock now, I think. By 6 o'clock I have to be there. I'm working in Howard Bay. It's in Kempsbury, to be exact. I'm not gonna use this, I'm not gonna use this. Yeah, this was set with calling into work. This is the most important one, a chef's knife. Going into war now, it's like I'm about to kill someone. Striking things out. I'm always on my grind, I'm always holding this, bro. Wherever I'm going, I've got this shit. You never know who I might reach. Killing one bird with 2 stones. That's what I call it. And yeah, I need to take this. Slide.
Lixesha lolikunixelela ukuba lifikile ixesha. White Man Production. It's time, early lixesha let's go. White Man Production, we gonna shine. It's time, early lixesha let's go. White Man Production, we gonna shine. It's time, early lixesha let's go. White Man Production, we gonna shine. It's time, early lixesha let's go. White Man Production, we gonna shine. It's time, early lixesha let's go. White Man Production, we gonna shine. We gonna shine up until we die. Nova kunzima, but still we gonna try to touch the stars. Tap the line, dance the life. Tina, speak life on Zima. Guns and knife, drugs and medals, Supreme G, standing bars, no tickers. We gonna survive. Seventh is a chance. The whole universe, please support us. Spalekers court cases, the dreams, perilous basin. Now it's time for everybody to focus. Don't you ever forget us. Yakutela, buno morning, ngati ngosiyeka. Ekala lejeni, pakisha impahla savaya kuleveki. Khuqe caravan, sileqe emazweni, sihlele emthandazweni, singamatshoni emfazweni. Bawa sisendleleni sishiya abazali emakhaleni sigudla indaba sophana kunzima kwelibayi Nkosi uzubela iliso simele nangomso kwihlobo nhlobo zenhlanga nentshaba sibopha amaqhaqa senyuka le ndaba lobi yahlaba simanga sephana sigqitha suhlala sithula umthwalo emagxeni siguqe ngedolo siqule kuqamata thixo somandla sicela usiphamandla siqeqeshe ngesakho isandla nakule mculo sibeka abadala sibeka amazwana sibeka phambili qha jonga ukudiza lapha sincane ukujikelezwa fede esitratweni emanyeleni masikhathaleni Nkosi mdalo sube nathi indlela ivume nathi sikhuphe nathi kube mnandi nathi silwela ibhayi sikhuphe itransi sibeke inqawu kwicala lobutsotsi ayekho ukhala amadlozi spiritually we those chosen one we host coast to coast